Subscribe to Filmy Mirchi for all What Women Want episodes and click the bell icon to receive all updates.
अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं कि पुरानी लव स्टोरीज और आज की लव स्टोरीज में फ़र्क क्या है, आप क्या कहोगे? वैसे तो कई सारी डिफरेंसेस है, पर इफ आई वर टू ओवर सिंप्लीफाई, पहले के ज़माने में इट वाज अबाउट व्हाट women needed from their significant others, और आज के ज़माने में it's all about what women want.
Filmy Mirchi presents Dabur Amla What Women Want, co-powered by Chenny Chai.
You are listening to Dabur Amla What Women Want with me, Kareena Kapoor Khan. And today we are talking about what women want from their partners. And who better to talk about this than a woman from this generation who owns everyone's heart and who knows her heart as well. Please welcome none other than Sara Ali Khan, who is going to share her Dabur Amla story of strength. Hi Sara, and thank you for coming on my show.
Adab.
You are the only family member left and we had to have you, and I'm so excited.
I'm so excited to be here.
Yes. So tabse pehle Sara, now that you have starred in a film that talks about, modern day relationships, and I want to ask you that what you think is that one major difference between a relationship today and what it was 20 years ago.
I think that, especially since, I'm doing Love Aajkal, whether it's my character Zoe in the film or whether it's me, I think the one thing that I see is very different is that women are more vocal about their needs in relationships today than they were back then, उस ज़माने में एक तरह से, there was a shyness, a coyness, a kind of quiet demeanor to women, which was perceived as the correct way to be. But आज के ज़माने में मुझे लगता है औरतें बहुत ही खुली हो गई हैं और बहुत ही सामने से बोलती हैं उन्हें क्या चाहिए अपने पार्टनर्स से. I think that's a result of maybe financial independence,
Yes.
maybe emotional independence, maybe just the fact that women are maybe more confident in their skin today, which is not to say maybe that, physical intimacy, for instance, is something that women want more now than they did back then. But I think that there is more acceptance to be able to speak about it today than there was back then.
Sara, attention from people really changes, when you lose all the weight, and you've been so vocal about it.
Yes,
like a
I
recent
have.
video I think that you posted went viral, and
On
I
the
remember
flight.
how you were.
remember actually seeing me like that.
Yeah,
though.
but I miss
So-
that.
You do?
Yeah.
Why?
Because now you're not eating pizzas and you're not doing all of that.
Yeah, but I
now
mean,
you're just really
I-
boring.
But now I can maybe earn enough money to buy the pizza. How about that?
Yeah,
So-
fine. But have you noticed that the male attention has changed towards you, and do you think that it's obviously because of you losing weight?
I mean, I think so. There definitely people don't look at me as a nazar battu anymore. So I think that's quite a refreshing change. But
So a lot more people hitting on you now.
see, nobody hits on me, and you know this. And
Why?
I've told you this. I don't know.
I
Ask
don't
them. I
know.
think it's because I'm an intimidating, opinionated person. But I don't get hit on very often. I really think so. But as a person, I've never really derived my confidence from the way that I look.
Okay.
And I don't think that that is the first 5 things that come to your mind when you talk to me anyway,
Yeah.
So I don't think that that's ever been it. But that's not to say that, maybe like more boys like my photos than they would if I was like that fat. That's definitely the case.
So sweet. So Sara, personally, जब तुम किसी को date करती हो,
जी.
like when you're in a relationship with someone, what qualities do you search for?
I think sachai. Like I said,
But that's not the first thing that you look for. I mean, because you
fun,
don't know that person.
humor,
Yeah.
fun, humor.
Good looks.
Not really.
No?
No, I'm not one of those. I'm okay without that.
So you'll date a not good looking person.
Yeah. It would probably be better because then they wouldn't be self-obsessed, and that's something I can't handle. So,
But you yet have to date that not good looking person.
I mean, he doesn't have to be bad looking, but he doesn't have to be so
Yeah.
good looking that that's all we talk about,
Okay,
Like,
fine.
like that's something that one can avoid for sure. And I think that somebody that's more than good looking or anything, just comfortable in their own skin. I think
Yeah.
that's rare today. I think people that are just own who they are is rare and very, very attractive. So I think if you can be true to who you are, there's nothing like that.
And relationship में वो कौन सी एक चीज है जिस पे तुम कभी compromise नहीं करोगी?
I don't know. I think that, in the world, one has grown to accept mediocrity in a lot of departments. But I think that my work and love are 2 things that I will really try to refrain from going into the mediocre zone. So I think I wouldn't like to compromise on, I think, fidelity, maybe. That's
Yeah.
a big one.
Of course.
Yeah,
No?
I think that's very important.
Yeah, that is, I think that's what I think all women want,
Yeah.
and what
Yeah. I think that, you know, especially if and when I get into a relationship, I think that it would be, it would have to be with somebody that I can proudly say is mine.
Yeah.
And when I say fidelity, I don't necessarily mean, you know, like, oh, cheating on somebody or anything like that. But I mean wholeheartedly being mine.
Yeah.
You know, because I'm a very independent girl. I'm very driven by my work. I'm very driven by my career. I have great friends. I have a solid support system. I have a good family, touch wood. So I don't really need very much.
Yeah.
So if I was to go out of my way and make space for somebody special in my life, it would have to be somebody that I'm proud of. और अगर गर्व से मैं नहीं कह सकती हूँ कि ये मेरा है, तो फिर फायदा ही नहीं है. So then I don't think I would.
The voice of today.
The voice
Sara
of
Ali
today.
Khan.
Yes.
So my next question obviously is about Love Aajkal, which is that your father was in the film 11 years ago, and now you're in this movie 11 years later.
Yes.
So are you feeling the pressure that that film was a blockbuster, and are you feeling the pressure that because your father was in it, that now this film has to do doubly well?
See, I'll be honest with you. When Imtiaz sir came to me with this film, we never saw it as a sequel.
Okay.
You know, I just think that it's a film that showcases what love is today. और उन्होंने मुझे हंसी मजाक में बात कही है, शायद हंसी मजाक नहीं है, शायद वाकई ऐसी बात है कि अगर 10 साल बाद ये फिल्म वापस बनाएंगे, उसे भी लव आजकल ही बुलाएंगे, क्योंकि ये फिल्म आज के लव को दर्शा रहा है, जो कि 11 साल की लव के बारे में नहीं है. और 11 साल बाद अगर वो एक फिल्म बनाएंगे तो वो
इब्राहिम हीरो होगा
या तैमूर, क्या पता. हम आज के ज़माने में पता ही नहीं. बट यू नो, तो 11 साल बाद अगर वो एक नई फिल्म बनाएंगे तो वो भी लव आजकल होगी, क्योंकि उस समय का लव, आज का लव, 11 साल पहले का लव इतना बदलता जाता है. आजकल ऑलमोस्ट एवरी ईयर इज लाइक अ जनरेशन. यू नो, एवरी 3 years is like a generation gap. Ibrahim feels like a generation away. Taimur feels like 3 generations away. And that's not the way it is.
It's just becoming
so different so quickly. So I don't necessarily think, but of course, I mean, you've worked with Imtiaz sir, and I think one of my favorite films of his. So I think any kind of pressure that one derives is more from there, more from the fact that Imtiaz sir has worked with heroines like you, Alia, Anushka, Deepika. So pressure comes from there, rather than it being Love Aajkal. If it was any other film, I would be equally pressurized being an Imtiaz Ali heroine, and grateful, more grateful than pressurized.
Wonderful job in the movie.
You have to say that.
Yeah, no, I don't have to say it, but I know you. I mean, you're bright, intelligent, and supremely talented, and you know that.
Thank you.
Switching gears a little now. Now it's time for a quick game. I'll give you some words.
So I can go slow.
You can go slow, and you're going with nothing. You're going home with nothing. So now I'm going to give you a word, and you know, you have to say that if you've ever done it in a relationship or not.
I have to say yes or no.
Yeah.
Okay.
So ghosting.
No, no, I haven't done that.
No?
I reply to everybody. I reply to even.
You're that
those-
overcompensating.
No,
type.
not necessarily, but I reply to even those that you shouldn't reply to. I'm one of those.
Acha. So that ghosting has not happened.
No,
Cheating.
never.
Never. Pulled a no-show on a date.
Maybe.
Maybe?
Yeah. Maybe, but it's not like a no-show. It's like, हाँ मिलते हैं, and then like not following up or not showing up. Not like he's
I'll see
waiting
you
and I'm
there
not there.
and like not turn up.
Always like generic hawa hawa mein. Never
Hawa
like
hawa mein.
particular.
Okay, fine. Given a fake phone number, 100%.
Yeah.
Yeah. You would do that not just for a date. If I know
would
you,
do-
you do that like to
I would
anybody.
do that to anybody.
Checking his phone.
Never.
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 Naughty texts. I don't want to know this. Or I hope your father's not listening.
Yeah.
Okay. So, can I tell him?
Sure. I mean,
Okay,
he
great.
might watch it.
Great. I'm coming home and telling
Yeah,
him this.
please do. Not do that.
Yeah.
But well.
Made an excuse not to get intimate.
Have you met me? I'm tired of hearing excuses. I don't make excuses. No.
Rejected a co-star. Huh? Rejected a co-star, as in like said, no.
No, yeah. No, why? Nobody's ever
be
made
honest.
nobody's made advances at me.
Advances?
Yeah. I've had very great working relationships with all 4 of my co-actors.
Okay, okay. I don't think I should be asking you this question, but I don't know. I mean, we're in a modern family. One night stand.
Never.
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 That's a relief, guys.
Yeah, never.
Yeah. So, well, I think it's been a fabulous episode, and I wish you all the best, Sara,
Thank
for
you
Love
very
Aajkal,
much.
because
Thank
I
you.
know that you will be amazing. So, thank you so much for coming.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi guys, hope you're liking my show. अगर आपको मुझसे कोई बात बोलनी हो तो please comment below.